Michelle, right now, I just want you to talk a bit the way we talked in the coffee company about your image of the mother or the Mother Earth.
Spiritually speaking, we come from the waters of the womb. So, of course, Yemoja is a very powerful person.
Talk about your experience with connecting to Mother Earth.
So I put on a backpack and hitchhiked cross country for 26 years. And I became a servant of people. But I also became a servant of the land. And she gives us bounty that you can't believe. It's amazing. The connectedness to the planet, to this earth, to the dirt, to the trees, to the air, is fundamental in everything that we do.
This is the initiation of Michelle as Omo Yemoja. Each of the Orisha have a color in a necklace. And so this is, I don't know what is your destiny, but this gives you the authority to use the title Omo Yemoja.
I did become pregnant. I did. And from the great fullness of my breath, streams went forward. And from one came the lagoons, swift and beautiful and still. And from the other, the deep oceans,